Welcome to Ridzi. In last session we discussed symmetric and skew symmetric and their properties. Now the next topic is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix here. Orthogonal matrix is nothing but the definition of orthogonal matrix is the product of a matrix and its transpose gives identity matrix. This is about orthogonal matrix. The condition for orthogonal matrix is here A is a square matrix. If A is a square matrix, A into A transpose equal to and A transpose into A is equal to I is called orthogonal condition. Here the product of a matrix and its transpose and transpose of a matrix and a matrix gives identity matrix is called orthogonal condition. Let us take one example of orthogonal matrix. A is equal to, I am taking 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This is one of the matrix here. Here the elements are in fractions. Now if you want to check whether it is a orthogonal matrix or not, first we need to find transpose of A transpose. Then it will become the rows of a matrix is changed to column. R1 is changed to C1. 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 and this R2 is changed to C2. Minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, this is 1 by 3. Next this R3 is changed to C3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, next minus 2 by 3. This is A transpose. Now we should find A into A transpose. I am multiplying the matrices A into A transpose here. Thus implies 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. This is A. Now I am multiplying this matrix with A transpose, that is equal 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. This is A transpose. Now we are multiplying these two matrices here. The multiplication concept we need to up here. The multiplication here 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. This total value will comes under A11 only. Next we should find A12, R1 with C2. Next 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 in 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Next 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is all about A12. Next we should find A13, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. This is all about A13. Next, A21 minus 2 by 3 into plus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into plus 2 by 3. This is one term. Next, minus 2 by 3 into plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Here, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Next, 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. Next, A22 minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is all about A22. Next, A23 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. This is all about A23. Next, A31 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Next, minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. This is all about A31. Next, 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 here. Next, plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is all about A32. Next, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is finally A31, A33. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Next, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. This is all about 3 by 3 matrix. And the final answer is, if you want to find, here it is the place for this one. Next, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. 4 by 9 plus 1 1 ja 1, 3 3 ja 9. 1 by 9 plus 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. 4 by 9. This is all about A11. Next, 2 by 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 9. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 2 ja 2. 3 3 ja 9. 2 by 9 plus 2 1 ja 2. 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 by 9. Next one, 2 1 ja 2. 3 3 ja 9. 2 by 9. 1 2 ja 2. 3 3 ja 9. 2 by 9. 2 2 ja minus 4 by 9. This is all about A13. Next, minus 2 into 2. 2 2 ja minus 4. Minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9. 2 1 ja 2. 2 by 9. Next, 2 2 ja 1 2 ja 2. 2 by 9. This is A21. Next, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 again plus 1 by 9. Next, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by 9 plus 2 to the 4 by 9. Next, minus 1 into minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by 9. This is all about A22. Next, 1 into 2 2 by 9 plus 2 into 1, 2 by 9 minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 4 by 9. Next 1 into minus 2 by 9, 2 to ja 4 by 9. Next minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by 9. Next 1 1 ja 1 by 9 plus 2 to ja 4 by 9 plus 2 to ja minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 by 9. See, if you add all these fractions here, we'll get one answer. Here LCMs are common for all the numbers. The denominator is here 9. 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9 by 9. Here 9 is the denominator, plus minus 4 plus 4, that is 0, and minus 4 plus 4, this is also 0. Next minus 4 plus 4, 0 by 9, and 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9 by 9, and here plus 4 minus 4, 0 by 9. Here also plus 4 minus 4, 0 by 9, and here also plus 4 minus 4, 0 by 9, and here 1 plus 4 plus 4, 9 by 9. If we cancel the terms, 9 1 ja 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 9 1 ja, the final answer 0 by anything will be 0, and 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is finally of identity matrix having order 3 by 3. This is proved here. A into A transpose, that is equal to I. In that same way, if you multiply A transpose into A, also we will get I. So the final condition is A into A transpose into A gives identity matrix. If A is equal to 2 by 2, we'll get identity of 2 by 2. If A is equal to 3 by 3, we'll get identity of 3 by 3. This is the all about orthogonal matrix. Here some properties of orthogonal matrix. Properties of orthogonal matrix. Here the first one, every orthogonal matrix is non-singular. What is mean by non-singular here? Non-singular is nothing but the determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0, then only called as non-singular. The determinants concepts will discuss in later, that is the most important topic. Every orthogonal matrix is non-singular. Non-singular is nothing but determinant is not equal to 0, then only called as non-singular. Non-determinant concept will discuss later. Next, every orthogonal matrix is invertible. Invertible is nothing but inverse. For example, if I am taking an orthogonal A, that is equal to A inverse, that is inversible is exists. Next, third one, if A is orthogonal, there exists A transpose and A inverse are also orthogonal. Here, if A is an orthogonal matrix, there exists A transpose and A inverse are also orthogonal. And next one, if A and B are orthogonal matrix, then A into B and B into A are also orthogonal matrix. Next one, if I am taking a matrix A is equal to, if a matrix I am taking A is equal to 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 again like previous question. Next minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, next 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This is a matrix. Here the fifth property is the sum of squares of any rows or columns is equal to 1. The sum of squares of any column, if you take, I am taking this row 1 here first, R1 is equal to sum of squares of each number 2 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 whole square. So 2 by 3 whole square is nothing but 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Here the LCM is 9 and 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 9 by 9. 9 get cancelled. That is, here the sixth property is product of any two rows or any columns is equal to 0. Let us check here. 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9. 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2 by 9, and plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, 2 by 9 again. If you take LCM here, 9 is a LCM, minus 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0 by 9. 0 by anything will be 0. This is the sixth property here. The product of corresponding elements of any two rows is equal to 0. The sum of product of any two corresponding elements or rows is equal to 0. Here the fifth property is sum of squares of any row or column is equal to 1. This is the property number 5th and this is property number 6. Here some special type of matrices are there. Some special type of matrices. In that one, the first one is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. What is mean by idempotent matrix? If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, then A square is equal to again A, then it is called as idempotent matrix. Let us take one example here, an example of matrix A, 4, 12, minus 1, minus 3. I am taking A. Here we should find A square. A square is nothing but A into A. Again you need to multiply the same matrix with itself one more time. Next, that implies 4 4 ja, this row is multiplied with this column. 4 4 ja 16, 1 minus 1 into 12, minus 12. Next 4 into minus 1, minus 4, and minus 1 into minus 3, that will become plus 3. Next 12 4 ja 48, and minus 3 into 12, minus 36. Next 12 into minus 1, minus 12, and plus minus 3 into minus 3, that will become plus 9. Implies 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4, minus 4 plus 3, that is equal to minus 1, 48 minus 36, that is equal to 12, and minus 12 plus 9 is equal to minus 3. If you observe the answer of this A square, it is same like A. So A square is equal to A. Those type of matrices are called idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. We have some properties on idempotent matrix here. Properties of idempotent. The first one, if A is a idempotent then A into B and B into A is equal to O, where O is a null matrix and B is also idempotent matrix. Then A plus B is also idempotent. Next one, if A is a idempotent matrix, then I minus A is also a idempotent matrix. Here in first property, if A and B are idempotent matrix, then A into B as well as B into A gives null matrix. Then A plus B is a idempotent matrix. If A is a idempotent matrix, I minus A, where I is a identity matrix here. Identity matrix. I minus A is also idempotent matrix. Next, the third one. Here, AB is equal to A. The multiplication of A into B matrix is equal to A and B into A matrix is equal to B. Then A and B are idempotent matrix. Then A to the power of n plus B to the power of n is equal to A plus B. Directly you can say, if the powers of A and B are equal, the sum also equal here. Next, here if A is a non-singular matrix, then it is idempotent and unitary matrix. This is all about idempotent matrix properties. Here the first one is idempotent matrix. If A is the idempotent matrix, A into B and B into A is equal to null matrix. And here if A is the idempotent matrix, I minus A is also idempotent matrix, where I is an identity matrix and AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B. Then A and B are idempotent matrix. Then the condition is A to the power of n into A to the power of n plus B to the power of n is equal to A plus B. If A is a non-singular matrix, non-singular matrix is nothing but the determinant will be not is equal to 0, then only called as a non-singular matrix. It is idempotent matrix and unitary matrix. Next special type of matrix is involutory matrix. Involutory matrix is nothing but if A is a square matrix, then square of the matrix is equal to I. This is the condition for involutory matrix. If you multiply a matrix itself by one more time, if you get identity matrix, then it is called involutory matrix. Let us take one example. A is here 0 1 1 0. I am taking, this is one of the example. If you multiply this one A into A again, A square, that implies A square. 0 into 1 0 1 and 1 0, 0 1 and 1 0, and again the same matrix repeated here 0 1 1 0. Multiply these two matrices here, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 plus 1. Next 0 into 1 0 and 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0 and 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. This implies 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. If you multiply A into A, we'll get identity matrix of having order 2 by 2. This is called involutory matrix. Next type of matrix is Next type of matrix is nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix is nothing but if A is a square matrix, again, then A to the power of P is equal to 0, where O, this is 0 is nothing but O is nothing but null matrix here, null matrix. See, A to the power of P is equal to O, then it is called as null matrix, where P belongs to n natural numbers, where P belongs to natural number. This is nothing but nilpotent matrix. If A is a square matrix, A to the power of P is equal to O is nothing but null matrix. If you multiplied any matrix with the power of some P, if you get null matrix, then it is called as nilpotent matrix. And the next type of matrix is periodic matrix. Periodic matrix. Again, if A is a square matrix, then A to the power of k plus 1 gives A again. This is called periodic matrix, where k belongs to positive integers, then only it is called as periodic matrix. This is all about orthogonal matrix and some special type of matrix and properties of orthogonal matrix. In next session we will discuss conjugate matrix. Thank you.